Animals still follow the earth. They wake with the sun, rest when they're tired, move with the seasons. Their lives are shaped by nature's rhythms, not society's schedule. Nothing here has a job title. Nothing here pays rent. Yet every plant, tree, and creature plays a role. Nature functions without meetings, deadlines, or notifications. Many ancient traditions valued silence because silence allowed people to hear what constant noise could not. Modern life moves fast, more information, more opinion, more stimulation, yet many people feel more overwhelmed. We call it progress, roads, buildings, technology. But progress and peace aren't always the same thing. Every vibration competes for attention messages. Alerts, updates, the modern world rarely stops asking for our focus. Maybe that's why so many people are searching for stillness, not to escape life, but to reconnect with it. Nature never abandoned its rhythm. Before constant notifications, there were moments designed to gather attention. Ants build, gather, adapt, yet not one is chasing status, not one is checking notifications, not one is racing against the clock. Nature remembers its rhythm. Do we? Truth, through a Sagittarius lens,